In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for proofreading, a step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know how to choose the right model for your task and use 3 precise prompts to catch mechanical errors, align tone for your audience, and build a transparent error log, all while preserving your unique voice. First, route your copy editing to the proper model tier. At the top of your chat window, open the model selection menu. Keep it on the instant tier for fast, high-volume mechanical passes. Perfect for catching typos, fixing commas, cleaning up double spaces, and verifying basic verb tense agreement. Switch to the thinking tier when you need deeper reasoning, auditing structural rhythm, ensuring consistent tone across long pieces, or protecting technical and legal phrasing without distorting meaning. A practical workflow is to run the initial sweep on instant for speed, then validate tricky sections on thinking for clarity and accuracy. This two-pass approach gives you both efficiency and confidence. Next, run a strict mechanics pass using this exact prompt. Act as a meticulous copy editor, master grammarian, and professional proofreader. I want you to run a strict mechanical review on the text provided below. Scan for and correct spelling typos, punctuation errors, syntax mistakes, dangling modifiers, and structural formatting anomalies. Do not alter my writing style, do not smooth out my vocabulary choices, and do not completely rewrite my sentences. Keep my unique voice fully intact. Here is my text. Insert your raw text here. For audience-specific tone alignment, use this style audit prompt. Act as an expert communications specialist and professional brand voice auditor. I need you to proofread the text provided below to ensure absolute compliance with a insert target tone, e.g. direct, data-driven, corporate executive, warm, conversational, lifestyle tone guide. Identify any sentences that drift out of this specific tone profile, explain why they conflict with the target style, and provide a refactored alternative that corrects the pacing and phrasing while keeping the original context perfectly intact. Here's my text. Insert your text here. To track habits and accelerate improvement, request this 2-part output. Act as a senior developmental editor and data-driven language coach. Proofread the text provided below for structural clarity, flow, readability, and mechanical accuracy. Provide a comprehensive output split into 2 distinct parts. 1, the finalized text, a clean, fully corrected, copy-pastable version of the prose. 2, the systematic error log, a clean markdown table tracking. Original text snippet, the corrected variant, the specific grammatical rule violated, and a 1-sentence tip to help me avoid repeating this specific writing habit. Here's my text. Insert your text here. Quick tip, paste sections in manageable chunks and review suggestions before accepting, especially in technical contexts. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next